Take a look inside us. Tell me what you see. When you look at me, it looks like I love you, and it looks like you love me. So why can't we just leave that alone? Why can't we just let it be? Doesn't matter what others see. We just need to let it be. And I know I can be different, and I know I can be rash, but I try so hard to fight it. Stay away from my past. I know when people see us together, they wonder what's going on. What in the world does she see in him? This won't last very long. But sometimes people get it all wrong. They don't know what they're talking about, 'cause we've been together for so many years, I've just about lost count. We both traveled down different roads. We'd taken separate paths. Somehow the stars aligned, and we're together at last. Take a look inside us. Tell me what you see. When you look at me, it looks like I love you, and it looks like you love me. It looks like I love you, it looks like